Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sita with you again. Planning a honeymoon, be it the first, second or third time. Do pack these sexual wellness essentials with you to enjoy your honeymoon and romantic getaway to the fullest. So here we go. Massage oils for relaxation and enhancing intimacy through sensual touch and massage. Scented candles. Create a relaxing, intimate vibe with scented candles. Perfect for unwinding together. Intimate and sexy dresses. Ladies, take care of this because this will help you to turn on your partner and help set the mood, Informative books, articles, be it hard copy or Kindle, about sexual health and intimacy techniques. Many people do not have accurate knowledge about these things. To the men out there, consult a doctor before marriage and get a prescription of tadalafil, which will help to reduce erectile dysfunction. If it occurs during the honeymoon period, many men tend to develop performance anxiety, which can seriously impact their sexual function later on, Intimate accessories, if you have already discussed about this or if it is a part of your routine, do carry them because they will help enhance your sexual pleasure. Personal lubricant. A good lubricant is essential. It keeps things smooth and comfortable. Water-based or silicone-based, your choice. Condoms. Don't forget protection. Carry enough condoms for your entire trip if you do not want to end up becoming pregnant during your honeymoon period. Safety first. Emergency contraception. If condoms are not an option for you, or in case condom breakage occurs or leakage occurs, some issue occurs, carry emergency pills with you just in case. Why take the risk, isn't it? Intimate vibes. Keep things fresh with intimate vibes. Handy for post-intimacy hygiene and travel. UTI prevention. Honeymoon cystitis or UTI is quite common among ladies during honeymoon, And if you develop it, it can rob you of all the fun of the trip. Carry alkalizers like citralka, cranberry supplements, and some antispasmodic tablet also. A medicine bag containing killers, probiotics, medicines for motion sickness, etc. can help you deal with hitches that may occur quite quickly and help you to get back to being intimate and enjoy your honeymoon. So do pack these essentials and have a fantastic time. Watch out for more videos and reels related to having a hassle-free honeymoon or a romantic getaway. For that, please do subscribe and follow my social media handles. Bye-bye.